Today, we're falling for English cottage style. We're stepping into the gentle poetry of English cottage style, a look that whispers charm through every beam, bloom, and brushstroke. Picture this, a cozy sitting room bathed in soft morning light. A cup of tea steams on the windowsill, lace curtains ripple in the breeze, and a floral armchair beckons by the fire. That's English cottage style, comforting, collected, and effortlessly elegant. It's not about perfection. It's about presence. This design philosophy celebrates lived-in beauty, timeless comfort, and character that deepens with every season. Whether you live in a countryside retreat or a city apartment craving soul, the cottage aesthetic invites you to slow down, layer textures, and embrace imperfection as part of the charm. So, let's answer your most asked questions about this enduringly romantic style, from color palettes and fabrics to finding that balance between modern life and old-world magic. But before we begin, a warm, heartfelt welcome to sweet Magnoliaa, your go-to for everything cozy, curated, and beautifully lived in. Explore our curated shop, filled with timeless pieces that reflect the look and feel of every space we share. From furniture to mirrors to decorative accents, there's so much to explore. Tap the link in the description to browse the collection. 10 FAQs about English cottage style. 1. What defines English cottage style? English cottage style is all about comfort, charm, and character. Think low-beamed ceilings, floral chintz fabrics, vintage furniture, and layered textures that feel lovingly collected over time. The look thrives on imperfection, it's cozy, lived in, and never too polished. Pro tip: mix patterns fearlessly, stripes with florals, checks with toiles. Just stick to a soft, cohesive color palette so everything feels intentional rather than chaotic. If you love the English cottage aesthetic and want to see how it all comes together in the heart of the home, the kitchen, watch 100+ English cottage style kitchens. It's filled with timeless kitchen decor ideas, from chintz curtains to vintage crockery. You'll find the link in the description. 2. How can I bring English cottage style into a modern home? Start small. Incorporate vintage-inspired textiles, warm lighting, and antique details that tell a story. Layer in modern elements like sleek lighting or minimalist art for contrast. The balance keeps it from looking like your great-aunt's guest room. Pro tip: anchor your space with a classic Chesterfield sofa or English roll-arm chair, then play with mismatched pillows and soft throws for that authentic, collected look. 3. What colors work best for English cottage interiors? Earthy, muted, and naturally inspired hues reign supreme: sage greens, dusty rose, buttery cream, soft blues, and stone gray. These colors evoke the pastoral English countryside and pair beautifully with worn woods and delicate florals. Pro tip: choose matte or chalky finishes for paint. The soft sheen mimics the patina of age and helps achieve that gently faded, cottagey charm. Four. Do I need vintage furniture to achieve the look? Not necessarily, but a few well-chosen vintage or distressed pieces go a long way. The goal is to avoid anything that feels overly new or mass-produced. Pro tip: blend antique finds with reproduction furniture that has similar curves and craftsmanship. Aged oak tables or painted pine dressers are perfect transitional pieces. 5. How do I decorate with florals without making it feel old-fashioned? The key is scale and color. Mix dainty florals with solids and simple geometrics, or opt for modern interpretations of classic prints. Layering patterns in varying sizes keeps the space dynamic, not dated. Pro tip: use florals strategically, perhaps as curtains, a statement wallpaper, or throw pillows, rather than saturating every surface. Less can be charmingly more. If you'd like to explore the decor pieces that bring this style to life, our Decorating English Cottage Style video walks you through all the product recommendations, lighting, chintz fabrics, textures, and details that make a house feel like a story. The link is right below. 6. What kind of flooring suits English cottage style? Natural materials always win: reclaimed wood, limestone, or terracotta tiles. Worn rugs in Persian or faded kilim styles add warmth and instant heritage appeal. Pro tip: if you're on a budget, opt for distressed look laminate or vinyl plank flooring in wide boards for a convincingly rustic effect. 7. How important is lighting in creating an English cottage atmosphere? Lighting is essential. Aim for soft, layered light, lamps, sconces, and candles rather than harsh overhead fixtures. The goal is a warm, inviting glow that flatters everything it touches. Pro tip: replace modern light bulbs with warm, low-wattage Edison bulbs or fabric-shaded lamps for instant ambience. "8. Can I mix English cottage style with other design styles?" Absolutely. English cottage pairs beautifully with French country, Scandi farmhouse, or even modern rustic elements. The trick is to keep the overall feel cohesive through color and texture. Pro tip: if your home leans modern, soften it with vintage linens, botanical art, or a rustic wood bench to bring in that storybook charm without overwhelming the clean lines. Nine. What accessories make a home feel English cottage? Think nostalgic touches, botanical prints, ironstone china, embroidered cushions, and stacks of well-loved books. A hint of whimsy, like a wicker basket of lavender or a framed countryside landscape, makes all the difference. Pro tip: curate, don't clutter. Display collections in small, intentional vignettes, a vintage teapot with flowers, or a stack of books topped with a brass candlestick, to keep the charm balanced. 10. How can I make an English cottage style home feel authentic rather than themed? Authenticity lies in restraint and layering. Avoid copying a Pinterest-perfect room. Instead, curate over time. Each object, color, and texture should have personal meaning. Pro tip: combine heirlooms, flea market finds, and modern pieces that share a soulful, tactile quality. A handwoven throw or antique mirror tells a story that's uniquely yours. For a softer, more traditional take on this look, don't miss How to Decorate English Country Style. It's filled with practical styling ideas and design details inspired by classic English homes. You can find that video linked below. If something in this video made you smile or sparked an idea, give it a like, drop a little love in the comments, and subscribe so we can keep creating together. And there you have it, a gentle guide through the meadows and manuscripts of English cottage living. The secret isn't in recreating the past, it's in feeling it. Layer textures, honor imperfections, and let your space evolve naturally, just as ivy climbs an old stone wall. A true English cottage isn't simply decorated. It's lived in, loved in, and lovingly layered over time. Whether you're curling up by a crackling fire or arranging peonies in a chipped vase, every choice becomes a quiet act of beauty. Pro tip for the soul: don't rush the process. The best rooms tell a story, and the most beautiful ones are still being written.